Welcome to a new video of your Aslo Easy channel. This video belongs to the folding paper napkins playlist. Take a look. This is a new way to fold your paper napkins to make them look much more elegant. You will be able to surprise your guests in a very easy and cheap way. Let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to open into our napkin. This corner, we send it here and fold it as best we can. We continue by sending this top corner to the other corner. Now we take the napkin from the top and turn it over, like this. The two bottom ends, we have to bring them a little bit past the middle and fold. And the same on the other side. We are going to put this little tip to inside so that it doesn't fall apart. And believe it or not, that's it. You have seen that it is very, very easy. Now we introduce the cutlery and that's it. Take a look at the rest of the videos and playlists on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and from the Aslo Easy channel, we thank you. See you next time.